Welcome back to the channel. So right here on Driven Wild Outdoors, we're always doing a little crazy stuff, and quite frankly, I haven't been doing a lot of it lately. I've been super busy at work, you know, building America one house at a time. But today we have a little project, and we're going to talk to Gavin. He's sitting down by his mini bike here, and we have an issue. So, Gavin, I'm going to turn the camera around and let them see you. We're going to film this thing, and we're going to tell them exactly what's going on with it and what we think we're going to do about it. All right, Gavin. So tell us what's going on. Tell us a little bit about your bike here.
So this is a 2024 Coleman B200R. So it's got a 196cc. I believe it's a Tao engine in it. I'm not sure. I think it's a Tao. And I've done a few cosmetic mods, no engine mods yet. Painted side cover and the rear fender black. New grips, new bars, new throttle, pro taper, bar pad. Took the light off because it broke. A basket, a flag, fishing rod holders. Then right now I just painted the side cover right here.
Now, what's up with the we love our flag, but what's up with the flag on there? What are you doing?
I don't know, just representing America.
Representing America, I love it. That's awesome. Gavin's got more patriotism than some adults that I know. So, Gavin's got a little issue. He's going to tell you about it, and I'm going to show you the carnage. What's going on, Gavin?
It's happened once before, but that was from a loose bolt. This time I was riding around neighborhood near my house, and I was taking a video, and then when I stopped on my glove because I was recording and put my phone in my pocket, I went to put my kickstand down on my foot and it slipped. It was real slick. I was like, this can't be good. So I looked down. In the matter of 5 seconds, there's a puddle probably 6 inches wide, like 6 inches diameter. It was bad. So I immediately cut it off, started walking it home. So that was fun, like a mile away.
By the way, we buy houses, but I don't think that sign's going to work anymore, so I don't know.
Nah. But we got a bunch.
So what are you doing now? You painted the cover?
I painted the side cover right here. Thought it looked cool, and it does.
All right, so we have a bigger problem, right? We need to find out where the oil is coming from.
Yeah. So,
now, when you saw the oil coming out, was it still running good?
Yeah, I mean, it was running fine. There was no, I would not have been able to tell that something was wrong if I didn't look down. And
now you did the oil change last night.
Yeah, I did the oil change. It was perfectly fine. I did crash it day before yesterday. A little bit of oil in the cylinder, so I had some problems with that, but we got that all sorted out.
And that's when you learned about hydrolocking.
Mm-hmm. But now, that's all sorted out. Got a video of it puffing out a bunch of white smoke, which is pretty cool. Cool, not cool. But, yeah. So, crashed it, did that, all good. But now, I have to take off the clutch, the jack shaft, and the whole side cover. Try and see what's wrong. So that's for tomorrow, though.
Yeah, so on this channel, you've heard me talk about different things on engines and stuff. And, I was a hobby engine builder. I guess I still am, or I don't know. Haven't done one in quite a while. Gavin's gonna bring me back to this whole hobby of building engines. And I'm going to start with a little one here. Gavin, what engine did you say this is, the brand?
I'm not completely sure. It might be a Tao. I'm not.
How big is it?
It's a 196cc.
196cc. So I am going to like get the old engine building skills out of mothballs. And we're going to start with this little guy right here. So it looks like, and I think if it's a gasket, it would be great. But as much as it was coming out, I think we've, quite frankly, I think something else, you know, is wrong. So it looks like maybe pull the engine, find out what's going on with it. And if we have to start taking parts out of it, well, then we're going to go ahead and make it a little bit better than what it was. Now, Gavin does want a Predator engine in there. Of course, I want to show him how this stuff works. Need to get some, you know, new tools, right? Because obviously there's a lot of tools for this that's a little bit different. So we'll see, but I'm not rebuilding the engine unless it needs to be. If we find something, if it is a gasket, great. At least change that. And we're going to try to document it here on the channel. But he loves this mini bike, and he's always doing some mods. And well, now we have to do an engine mod, right? And to try to get this thing dealt with. So I love seeing him work on it. It's how I got my start. Actually, I started working on lawnmowers, and then the black Mustang here. The last engine I built is in that car. It's a 347. Makes a tremendous amount of horsepower. Do talk about a lot of engines. We're going to be talking about the L87 6.2 liter GM recall engine. Seeing a ton of videos out there. There's actually a little bit more information coming out. We're going to talk about that in an upcoming video. But right now it's going to be on this Coleman Mini bike. So just wanted you to see what's going on out here in the shop. We're out. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to our channel, check out all the cool content here, and we're adding some content with the mini bike here. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.